5 passive income truths for 2021. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what it takes to create passive income, and we're going to share 5 truths about how to create passive income in 2021. My name is Daniel Wood. I'm one of the founders of Momentum Property Education, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe because every single week we come out with interviews with top experts. We come out with videos like this about how to create passive income. We talk property investing, we talk crypto, we talk stocks. We are looking at how you can create your passive income so that you can reach your goals. I hope you're excited because today we're going to go 5 truths and share what does it take to actually create passive income. So the first truth we want to share is that passive income is real. Something for nothing is not. This is a common misunderstanding around passive income, is that because it has the word passive, many believe it's without effort. And that is true once you've got it set up, but you can't get something for nothing. There are only 2 ways to get a passive income stream. One is to buy it. So one example would be go out and buy stocks, right? And then the dividend is a passive income, right? You're not working for that. You bought the stock and now you're getting a passive income. But you had to give something to get that stock. You had to pay for it. You have to spend that money. So that is that key. The other way to create passive income is to work for it, is to create it. That can be creating a business. Now that takes massive amounts of effort, but at some point you could maybe make an exit, systemize the company, pass it over to someone else, and now you're getting a passive income. So you either buy a passive income or you create it. So passive income is real, just something for nothing is not. All right, so that's the first truth. The second truth is that you don't have to be rich to get passive income. Now, if you are rich, if you have a lot of money, great, let's go out and buy some property, get passive income in, and it's very, very easy. In our mentorship program, when we work with clients that have a lot of money, it is ridiculously easy, right? We just give you the contacts, we give you the information, and we help you put together your strategy, and then you go out and buy property, and it all goes very, very well. Now, that is one way. If you don't have that, we can go back to truth number 1. You can create your passive income, right? So there are network marketing companies. There are partnerships you can do. There are, you can set up a website and do all kinds of things. We just shared a video last week about 15 passive income ideas. We shared them in 15 seconds. A lot of those are not based on your money. So you do not have to be rich to create passive income, even if, of course, it makes it a little easier. Now, number 3, the third truth here is that compounding is key. So what does compounding mean? Well, compounding is, as Einstein said, the 8th wonder of the world. It's the most powerful force in the universe. It is the compounding interest. When you, for example, if you have something that's giving you a 10% return per year, if you're reinvesting that profit back into it, that begins compounding, because now, say you had $100 in, after a year you have 110. Well, now you reinvest that profit, and over the next year, 10% of 110 is now 11. So now your profit is increasing. So now you have 121. That means you're going to get more and more, and the rate of increase keeps on going. Obviously, the higher return you get, the higher and quicker that compounding goes. And that's where it gets really exciting. That means you can start with a very, very small amount of money and become immensely wealthy and create a massive passive income because you're using the effect of compounding. All right, great. All right, so number 4, we are in a special year, and a lot of people lose hope because we're not allowed to maybe go outside, or we haven't been able to. But you know what? There are lots of passive income streams you can create from the comfort of your home. One example is stocks. You can invest in stocks, you can trade stocks, you can build a portfolio. You can invest in crypto mining. You can actually even go out and invest in property. I live in Sweden and I invest in property in the UK. I'm not there, I don't see them. I've built a team, I've built a system, and that's what we teach in Momentum Property Education, is how do you make the act of investing in property passive. So you don't have to be able to get out there. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. And now the 5th one, the 5th source, the 5th truth here is OPM. That is taken from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or the cash flow quadrants, other people's money. We call it other sources of capital. We've identified 25 different ways that you can fund a property deal, a business deal, an investment. By using 25 other sources, that means, again, going back to truth number 2, you do not have to be rich in order to build passive income. You can tap into these 25 sources. You'll find that video here on our YouTube channel where we cover all the 25 sources. There is a playlist where we've been interviewed on a bunch of different podcasts, and there you have an interview where we go through in depth each and every one of these. It's a two-part, so it's very, very powerful with the Real Estate Marathon podcast. You got a lot of sources here, so please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I hope we get to connect with you more in the future because we got more exciting things to share. Please comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on how to create passive income. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.